38.8. Basically this car not blowing cool air at all. Go to the engine bay and I'm going to select automatic system. Okay, after that I had to select the car. It's Renault, both gauges, and press OK. Then it will recover, and make sure this both cufflink on. Okay, it's 7.4. Yeah, basically this car blowing cool air. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do now. Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I got Renault Clio 2010 model. Customer complaining no AC, basically hot air blowing. I'm going to use my machine and I'm going to show you how to diagnostic and how to recharge properly. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get lot of useful video and tips like this. Let's go inside the car and have a look what's going on there. I'm going to start the car and put it to the fully cool side. I feel it's very warm. We'll see with my thermometer. You can see 38.8. Basically this car not blowing cool air at all. Go to the engine bay and we'll have a look what's going on the engine bay. You can see the bottom pulley, outer one working, inside one not spinning. Basically this compressor not engaging, that's why the problem. We'll see what happened to the compressor. I'm going to switch off the car and I'm going to check any pressure left in these two pipes. I'm going to open this both cap. Now I'm going to check the pressure inside this pipe. What we have to do, use the safety glass, and when you work with the AC system, make sure we are in the gloves. This AC gas not good for your skin. You can be cool burn. It's more worse than the hot water burn. I'm going to take out my face and press inside this valve. Nothing there, you can see. And I'm going to check the high pressure. Nothing there. Right, now we know why compressor not working, because not pressurize the system. That means basically no air there. I don't know how long this vehicle doesn't have a air con, and I don't know what happened previous. However, as a first step, I need to inject refrigerant and UV dye to the system, run in the car and have a look what's going on there. If it leak, after that I can find with my UV dye torch any leak is around that area. However, I'm going to regas the system. High pressure red, high pressure connector going to the high pressure line, and after that I'm going to tight the opener. Low pressure going to the fat line and tight the connector. Now you can see the gauges all zero. That means indirectly this machine say no pressurize the system. However, I'm going to regas the car. I'm going to select automatic system. Okay, after that I had to select the car. It's Renault, press OK. Need to select the model. This is 2010. I'm going to select Clio 3 1.2 2005 to 2011. Press OK. It's holding 510 gram gas and oil. Then I'm going to open this valves and press OK. Then recircle start. No gas inside, we know already. Now it's going to do the vacuum test and everything. We have to wait until the machine do the process. It will take a half an hour, 35 minutes. I'll come back to you after half an hour, 35 minutes. Now I'm switch off the both gauges. After that I'm going to start the car. Once I start the car, when aircon on, this needle need to come this colored area and this needle come to this colored area. We'll see how it's going on. You can see inside this pulley, it's a bit dark, sorry. Inside this pulley there is a couple of nuts. You can see it's need to spin if compressor work fine. I'm going to start the car and have a look inside that spinning or not. Start the car, aircon on. You can see both needles come to the correct level. That means aircon system working. But however, I can hear the noise from the compressor area. Look like me faulty bearing in the compressor. However, you can see inside the pulley spinning around. That means it's fine. And check with my thermometer. Yeah, it's coming some aircon. You can see it's dropped down temperature. But however, I'm going to switch off the car and disconnect my all gauges and show you what's going on inside again. Now I'm going to turn this both gauges anti-clockwise. Still inside this hose aircon refrigerant there. I had to take back everything to the machine. You know why? This refrigerant not good for our environment. Because of that, I had to take everything to the machine. Recover, open the both gauges and press OK. Then it will recover, and make sure this both cufflink on, basically off. If you not turning fully locked to anti-clockwise, it's sucking inside the air also well. Be careful when you do it. Make sure make it loose both cufflink. Now it's doing the job. I had to wait until machine finish. You can see recovery process finish. I need to switch off the all gauges, exit from menu. Right, now we need to disconnect this cufflink. Make sure your glasses and remove. Right, once you've done this one, make sure close your valves properly. I can see this valve little bit bubble up. What you have to do, that means this valve not close up properly. That's why we have like that bubbles. What I'm going to do, I'm going to press this one once, then after that it will seal up. I'm going to show you how to do it, because if you leave it long time like this, your gas escape from here, then you ending with again non-AC. On the glass again, just press once. Right, now it's seal up nicely. Now you have to close the cap. Right, all done the engine bay. Let's go inside the car. Aircon on. Leave it couple of minutes running. You can see now I am feeling to my hands. It's blowing cool air. You can see it's gradually going down. see it's 7.4. Yeah, basically this car blowing cool air. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do now. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow our videos. You can get a lot of useful video and tips like this. If it come up again, I'll upload another video how I'm going to do the rest of things. Thank you. See you in the next video.